Good evening, traders. I'm Nanakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. The same topic of intraday, because intraday is a powerful trading strategy, but it is very complex. Winning the intraday, making money in the intraday, it is very, very difficult. Because in intraday, volatility will be very high, that too in the initial hours of trading. And market movements, identifying the market movements is also complex. So when it becomes complex, market movements, market structure, when it is not formed, decision making is also becomes very difficult. So in my effort here, I'm simplifying your decision making with the help of RSI to get a smart entry. I'm tweaking the RSI in the form of line chart, step line chart. Because pattern identification in RSI is a very secret tool which will fetch you a lot of money. If you see on this chart, I am on the Bank Nifty chart, call option 48,500 call option on yesterday, because most of the traders are trading in the options. So they want an early entry, proper entry. So if you could enter properly to make money. So when the market starts gaps down, as an intraday trader, you will be in confusion. Sometimes what happens is, after 2-3 candles, the market, you can see over here, after the second 15-minute candle, market has gone sideways. In such situations, you will not be having clarity because chart pattern is not found at all. Market, what if? Everything creeps in your mind. What if it reverses? If you take trade here or a buy call, you will have fear, what if it goes down? And a trader who have sold here, they will get frightened when they saw market forming a green candles, reversal candles. That is the time you will have no clarity because nothing has formed. Now you are seeing the chart pattern already formed, price movement. Because of that, you can tell, oh, this has happened. But the thing is, RSI is a very good tool wherein you can make it as a step line chart. By making it as step line chart, and I'm using just simple stack moving average, 5-period moving average with HMA. In my intraday previous video, I've told you that HMA will give you early entry. With the help of TWAP and stack moving average, 5-period moving average, you can enter very quickly early entry with a minimum risk. With minimum stop loss. See, what you need to do is apply RSI on your chart, go to the setting. When you go to the setting in style section, change it to step line. There will be, if you click on this, there will be a lot of options. Step line with break, step line with break, and step line with the diamonds. You select this. because it is pointer in this. It will help you to identify the pattern as well as the steps. Actually, what happens in the step line chart, the data points are connected by horizontal and vertical lines. When they connect by this way, you will get step line formation in the chart. RSI is a very good indicator. See, why it is very good indicator? Because it calculates all these things, strength in the market, by whether the sellers are dominant or the buyers are dominant. So it calculates and give you readings which becomes little bit easy for you to judge something what is happening. Here in this condition, we are seeing for an oversold position. Market is in oversold position. You can, for your convenience, what you can do is enable magnet and take the price note and you start anchoring the RSI reading because you cannot see properly in the live market. For your, you can see like that. If I anchor price note, see, you are seeing divergence in the RSI reading. If I place the cursor, you are getting the reading of 18.98 for this reading. Let me check what the reading is. 18.41. Let me place it here exactly. 18.6. It is a minor divergence which goes unnoticed. And also you are seeing a W pattern on RSI. W pattern is a bullish reversal pattern which is on the oversold position. You are seeing for it and you are prepared for the entry in the market because RSI is showing a W pattern. But whereas in price, you are not able to see this pattern, which is not evident at all. You cannot see a W pattern over here. And this gives you identification of a pattern, W pattern in the oversold position gives you. And also you can notice, carefully observe this RSI moving average. Everything is in clarity. And there is pointer, step lines, everything is in clarity. And you can see after the W pattern and exactly around 11 a.m., you can see a reversal candle forming at the Bank Nifty chart, call option, that is around 665. It is an example, 665, and if you, it is an early entry, it is giving you 1 minute. If I place the, okay, let me do this, take the price note and anchor price for that, 652. And the price low of this is 662. Only if you are entering here around somewhere in between 664 or 665, your stop loss is very minimal, just 8 points. And you have identified the pattern and you can see a shift in the momentum. In the step line, you can see shift in the momentum. You can see how swiftly the RSI is crossing above its moving average. Correspondingly, you can see a bullish candle. Already bullish candle is formed with the stacked moving average 5-period Hull HMA Hull moving average. I had explained how it is superior than all other moving averages. So I've tweaked it to the very best moving average. With this, we are getting confirmation You can take an aggressive entry by seeing this pattern, W pattern, and also RSI divergence you are seeing, which is not evident on if it is on an, line chart, line RSI chart. So step lines, clearly you can make out steps are coming out. There is shift in the momentum of this a step in this candle itself. In this bearish candle itself, there is RSI is showing strength. Early signal. See, I have tweaked to the maximum to make the intraday trading, complex intraday trading, simple. And if you master this, it will give you an edge. So step line chart, you can see after this, steps have increased. Steps have increased and you have kept already stop loss over here. What is your stop loss? 652. You will not get disturbed by any move. This candle's move made low of 696, but your entry is around 655. That is 40 points jump in the price. You will not get disturbed or you will not become panic even if the price comes down. And already RSI has climbed up and come inside the channel. RSI, the reading is 30. It has come inside the channel and it is comfortably above its moving average. There is clarity if you use RSI step line with the diamonds and pattern identification. That is the most important thing. You can identify patterns which is not evident on the price chart. You can trade with that. This is how you can get an edge in your entry, early entry. I have done my maximum effort to bring in these type of strategies for you people to help the traders to solve the problems of traders. They can do, you can enter and you could have gone. When it goes to for example, when it goes to, I forgot to tell something. Here, when it comes to the low RSI in oversold position, I've tweaked settings to inputs to low. When it starts moving towards the high, when it starts moving towards the overbought condition, climbs above 60, you can tweak it to high so that immediately you need to do that. Change the setting to high so it will plot the higher readings. When it goes there, because it is a selling area, we are trading for a reversal after huge sell-off, then the RSI will not move above the 60. Sometimes it will reverse even from the 50 level. So you need to be careful. So to identify all these price patterns or deviations in the RSI, immediately tweak it to high setting. When you tweak it to high setting, okay, you can see over here. Let me zoom it here. See, what you are seeing is price is, what is the high? 822. And here, again, it has gone up from here. It has stepped down with the price and price has moved higher. Right? You will get threatened by seeing the price movement in live market. You are not able to see the price. Only you will be concentrating on the green candles and bullish candles, solid bullish candles are forming, you will get threatened. But the RSI is not stepping up. The steps are below this movement, clearly indicating profit booking taking place in the market. You can get out of it. Get out of the entry. So you entered around 655 and you got a profit of, say, you may not hold till that time, or you can hold for that. In this candle, if you would have exited around 806, that is, if I take the 1 minute calculator, 806 minus 6, I think it is 652. Yeah, 655. 655. You have captured 151 points multiplied by 50. You have made solid 2265 with the proper entry, without any confusion, without any stress, and you were able to carry the position comfortably, and your decision making became simplified, even though the market movement was going down. There was no confusion, and you got a smart entry, beating everything. Even you can beat the algo. You cannot beat the algo because it works in milliseconds. You can at least compete with the algo with your discretion trading, decision making. You would have made a good entry and good money. This is how pattern identification in RSI with the step line chart. I'm revealing the secret for you people. You can trade with that. In coming videos, I'll make more videos on step line RSI, about RSI oversold, overbought, and even pattern identification on the price chart. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.